Hi guys, it's Trevor at Heritage Reverse Mortgage. I am your reverse mortgage specialist. My article today is a little bit different than normally. As you know, I am a reverse mortgage professional, and so that's primarily what I do. However, I do have a lot of clients that keep asking me about interest rates because, as you've probably heard, interest rates are down on mortgages, and we actually expect them to go a little bit lower. And so you've been hearing from everybody you know who does mortgages that it's time to refinance. And so I wanted to put a little information out there to help you to be a little more careful as you pull the trigger on refinancing your mortgage. Now, don't just do any standard refinance. Work with somebody who's going to help you do a strategic refinance on your mortgage. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that you take a good look at your current situation and look at the whole picture. Financially, where are you now? Because we have a unique opportunity right now where interest rates are falling, but home values are higher than they've ever been. And so if you do this right, if you use this opportunity appropriately, not only are you going to save a little bit of money every month on your payment, but ideally you should be setting yourself up for true financial freedom within just the next, I don't know, 10 or 20 years. And so let me give you an example of what I'm talking about with this. I had some clients recently we did a refinance for, and we didn't do just a standard refinance. What we did is we looked at their whole situation. They had they bought their home a few years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. Values have gone way up, of course. Work has been good for them, and so they've had some extra money. They've gone out and bought a couple of new cars, a boat. They have about $20,000 in credit card debts. And so in the article, I explain the situation of this client or this couple that they now have this $550,000 home. They've got about $430,000 in debts, and they have about $3,800 in monthly mortgage payments, or excuse me, in total monthly payments on all of their debts. And so what we did is we gave them a few options. Option number one is we can roll all of your debts into one payment. We do one mortgage with a low interest rate below 4%. We just pay everything off. And then you have that one payment every month. Now this is nice because this will save them about $1,700 in monthly payments. But it's not the option I prefer. What I recommended for them is let's take all of those debts. Let's take your mortgage, and yes, let's roll them all together into that one monthly mortgage payment. But let's keep your payment where you're at now. And so what happened in this situation is we took them, keeping that same monthly payment they've already been paying, and we lowered their mortgage term to just 12 years. And so in 12 years, they're going to have their mortgage paid off, their cars paid off, their boat, their credit cards. They're going to be completely debt-free in 12 years. Now, for somebody in their 30s, you can imagine how powerful that's going to be for them. I have a lot of clients that come to me in retirement, and unfortunately, they didn't have these kind of options, or they didn't have this kind of preparation, and so they're struggling in retirement, and that's why they're doing a reverse mortgage. But imagine being completely debt-free in your 40s and having 20 years to save that much money and prepare for retirement. That's why I say a strategic mortgage refinance is what you need to look at. The third option I talk about in the article is that maybe they don't want to keep making the same payment. Maybe that's the whole point. We could still do the same thing. We roll all of their debts together, but we do a 20-year mortgage. This still has them debt-free in their 50s. That gives them 10 years to save up for retirement really aggressively, but it still saves them $1,100 a month. And so, depending on your situation, if you just need a lower interest rate, or if you'd rather take a more aggressive stance with a plan like this, give me a call. We'll do a full analysis of your current financial situation, all of your debts, all of your payments, your home's value, and we'll put you into a better situation that not only puts the band-aid on today, not only saves you a couple $100 today, but in the long term could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you use the right loan structure. And so again, give me a call. As I mentioned, I specialize in reverse mortgages. If you're looking for a standard refinance, I can either help you with that, or likewise I will pair you with another lending partner that I have out there that might have a better deal for you. And so we'll do whatever we have to do to take care of you. And so just give us a call. We'll look at your situation. I'm at 435-359-9000. You can reach me at heritagereversemortgage.com, or you can email me at trevor@heritagehl.com. Thank you again, guys. I look forward to helping you and making your life a little bit better.